Everybody face the wood with lit stove on the kitchen. I fuck a pray to God, we gon' live to see tomorrow. Don't really know what to believe, so we been it more. Losing on the demo account he told me to go on, using the strategies he told me to use. But I got a phone call with his team for his training with Austin later today at 1. We're gonna get into that. My light's gonna get cut off in about an hour. It's gonna get cut off at 1. So gonna go stay at my mom's, and yeah, I got a baby shower Saturday. Shit's just going crazy, bro. Kids graduation on Thursday, so we gotta make something shake. We gotta make this work. What is up, YouTube? We're back with another video. What's going on? So yeah, I had the baby shower, all that. I had that training with Austin, so let's get into it. I'm not even, I'll tell you what, I'll make a whole different video about that training once I go through the program, and I'm gonna actually give it a review. Also, I will be giving another pocket option review. I feel like I didn't give them their fair one, so I'm actually gonna have turning $100 into $1,000 video coming next week on pocket option. I'm gonna show you my strategy and the way I'm gonna attempt to do that, and if I blow my account, you're gonna see it in real time. Today's video is really just gonna show you how to get set up on what I've been trading on lately. I've had a lot of sniper entries. I just rolled back the footage. That same platform, they have an app. I'm gonna show you how to get this started up on your laptop. So what you're gonna want to do is go to HeroFX. It's gonna pop up, maybe. Y'all gotta bear with my internet right now. It's not doing great. Anyways, in my segment turning $100 to $1,000, I'm not gonna be going live on YouTube, but the videos will be uncut and unfiltered, and it's just gonna be me trading, and I'm gonna go ahead and post it like that. See, my Wi-Fi doesn't know what it's doing. It actually just switched me Edge accounts. That's crazy. Okay, so you're gonna want to go to HeroFX.co. You search it, it should pop up. I'm on Bing, Google, it's there. So once you get here, you're gonna want to go to register and just basically register an account with them. If you don't got an email, you're a bum anyways. You gotta register with them. You gotta verify your identity, give them your driver's license, make sure you're live. I already got an account, so I guess it auto logged me in, but once you go to the login page, it's pretty self-explanatory. Just create your account. When you create an account, you'll be on this, it'll take you to this home page. So that was my chair popping, by the way. From this home page, what you're gonna want to do is to load. All right, boom. Deposit. We're not gonna deposit money right now. If you want to deposit money and go ahead and trade without any knowledge of this platform, be my guest. That's not what we do here. We want to make money. So what you're gonna do is go down to accounts. Scroll down to where it says demo, and add a demo account. Now all these is they're different. Okay, I already have 2 of these accounts open, so I can't open another one with you. But basically, demo 0 is a demo account. Low spreads, no commission, so basically less strings attached, pretty much straightforward, shooting you straight. You got demo raw, which is for fixed commissions. I don't know anything about that. I'm not gonna front to you like I do. I don't know about demo 0, demo raw spread, or HTX4, and none of that. but I was recommended these demo zero accounts. Again, I don't know nothing about the HTX4, but I was recommended this account and it's working for me. So I guess just find what works for you, try them all out. So basically you're just gonna click create an account, agree to it, create account. Deposit into the account, say, of course you can be a millionaire. You know, that's what I was told when I was recommended these accounts. You can be a millionaire, but you're not. So go ahead and start the account with what you expect yourself to be depositing into the account, so you can actually have accurate, be transparent with yourself, be honest with yourself. You can trick yourself out your money easy. It's a mental thing. Trading is all about mental stability, pretty much. So once you do this, they're gonna send you an email. I've already got my Trade Locker account set up, but it's gonna open up a Trade Locker tab, and what you're gonna want to do is when you log into Trade Locker, let me see if I could show you. So I click here. Boom, I'm gonna go to trade. Okay, so it's gonna bring you to Trade Locker. Now, let's see if it'll log me in, or let's see what it's gonna do. What it's gonna do for me today. Apparently it's auto logging people in today. It's auto logging folks, so. And I'm also gonna, if it'll let me go over some of these trades I have with you. That's crazy. I'm blurring that out. You're gonna want to switch to demo account because it's gonna already have you on live account. This isn't real money. It's not a live account. It's not gonna log you in. Once you get here, slow Wi-Fi. I don't trade on this computer, y'all. I can't. I do everything on my phone, and like I said, they do have apps for this. You can do this on your phone easy. Even if you don't have an app, or you can't download an app because you owe Apple money. If you owe Apple money, you shouldn't be trading, but I guess we got the same problems. If you do, you can just add it to your desktop from the window. I don't have a tutorial for that. So it went ahead and auto logged me in. This is one of my other trading accounts. Let's see. So this is the trading account I just opened. So basically it's gonna send your login to your email. You just log in with that login, and then it's gonna make you create a new password. That new password is gonna work for everything. So once you get that new password, just go ahead and get your account set up, and you'll be rolling. If my Wi-Fi will work, I could walk y'all through a couple trades or positions I take. I'm not going to be going over positions I took because my computer is going too slow to do that. The stock market is currently closed. It's currently Saturday. Oh, but don't let me lie to you. It looks like we got movement. Nope, I'm on Ethereum and Euro. So I'm on the Ethereum versus the Euro market right now. So basically, let me get up here. There's a trade I lost, bad. I wasn't set up at the right time for that. I should have targeted those recent highs, and I didn't do that. Again, when you're doing it from your phone and I was working, don't ever trade from work, y'all. It's kind of hard to see the whole bigger picture. I have it on 30-minute 30-minute candles right now. I'm not seeing much movement, no volatility in this market. Go ahead and change this to 5 minutes. And let's go GBP JPY. So trading is closed on GBP JPY. That's crazy. Trading's Forex is never closed. Oh, okay. The platform itself did mention that it would be shut down this weekend. They're improving bugs and stuff like that. So unfortunately, I can't show you today how any of those trades are made. Let me just see if I can go ahead and just pull up some of my previous entries just to go ahead and show you. This account last week when I opened it was at $100. It's now at a 70% gain. I was over 100% at some point last week. Wins fluctuate. You're not gonna win all the time, but you will still maintain a positive balance, a higher positive balance if you know, track your risk to reward. Okay, so I pretty much have deleted everything off of here. I've got very little indicators up here. But yesterday, as you can see, I didn't really have a sniper entry, but I did get out in time. I actually made this trade while I was at work, which again, I do not recommend doing. I took this trade on the 30-minute time frame. So here what I see is, I see we're going down. We had a small trend. It's not that big of a trend. I wouldn't even, matter of fact, now that I'm looking at it, I wouldn't call it a trend at all. Did I know we were going down? Yes. Did I pull out too quick? Yes, I did. I pulled out way too fast. I didn't even hit my my risk ratio. I just pulled out. I was working, looking at those charts. It gets stressful. So if I would have waited, I would have had filled that order. And when I got down here and I seen these wicks, these bullish pins and these order blocks right here, and I would have kept going up. These candles were fluctuating more bullish than bearish, and this is the reason why I went ahead and took the trade to the upside. Now again, this is not a very good risk to reward ratio. This is very bad, but I basically targeted this high right here. We didn't have any fair value gap. Oh, we had this small fair value gap right here. But I took that trade and I closed out right here, which is actually at the high that it produced. And for that trade, I think I made like $10, $15, something like that. I think it was $19. So my total P&L is $69. That's funny. Okay, so $30. I made $30 off that trade. There wasn't that much movement in the market at that time. Again, this is a 30-minute time frame, so you can just see how very steady this is. I didn't catch the opening of the New York market, none of that. I was trading at work, like terrible hours, like end of New York session. And I think actually this happened right when the Japan Tokyo session, whatever, when that session opened up, and I actually took the trade then. It's more volatility, more movement, but a lot less than the times that the other markets are open. So a lot of people don't trade those markets. They're unpredictable, I guess. But like I said, I had a small uptrend, I thought, and once it broke that, I went ahead and went bearish, went my short position bearish, and I had a good position. I didn't get stopped out, or I did. I stopped myself out, but nothing crossed over this line. I didn't have, not even a wick crossed over that line. I just didn't like the numbers hitting negative, I guess. I was working. These are 30-minute candles. Anything can happen in 30 minutes. But if I would have just stuck to my gut and let my trader run, I would have had a very profitable trade. I lost a lot stopping myself out on that trade. I had 3 lots open. So just be careful. That's what took my balance down from 230 to fucking 150, trading 3 lots. You know, going in the negative that much. And if I would have stayed, I'd probably be at, I could be at like $450. So just be mindful of that. The market's moving funny ways. And that's it for this video. But like I said, next time I will be doing a live trading, not live, but uncut, unfiltered trade for pocket option, turning $100 into $1,000. It's probably gonna happen over the span of a couple videos. It's definitely not all gonna happen in one video. I have a strategy where I use about 10% of that $100 moving forward, and then I grow my percentage as I go. But we'll see how that goes, y'all, and good luck on y'all trading journey, and that's it.